Hi there and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you my March bullet journal layout. But before we continue, let me show you a quick flip through of my February bullet journal. If you want to use this planner for any month, just click the link in the description box below to get your free download. These are the free printables that I will use for my March bullet journal layout. Just click the link in the description box to get your free download. These Doodle Cat stickers are from our Etsy shop and I printed them on A5 size paper. If you want bigger stickers, you may print on US letter size paper instead. Here's my March bullet journal. I already set it up earlier this morning, but I will still add some more details to it. For my collections page, I decided to create a cat family tree for our 8 cats. I also want to create a dog family tree, but I don't have the stickers for it yet. I will use the top half of my first weekly spread as a memorial for our relationship. It's now 10 years since Albert and I became boyfriend and girlfriend, and we will celebrate that on March 1. Here's the rest of the weekly spreads for March. I hope to upload a new video every week to show you my latest weekly layout, but I'm not sure if I can do that yet. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get the latest update when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching! Click the links below to get your free printable and design your own bullet journal pages. Happy planning! Bye for now!